Oladance OWS2 open ear headphones are a comfortable open ear wireless Bluetooth 5.3 style headphone. So they come with this charging case that's great for storage, but you'll basically charge both the headphones by having them in the case via a Type-C cord that goes in the back. These are compatible with both Android and iPhone, and on a full charge can last for about 19 hours with the carry case. So they have 16.5 millimeter premium drivers, so that allows for great sound quality and bass. They are marked left and right to make it easy when you are placing them on, and extremely comfortable, especially when you're being active because they are nice and grippy. They do come with a little cap for the end for storage as well. The charging cord, as you can see there, and these are how they look on the ear. Great premium open ear style headphone. You can still kind of be aware of your surroundings and have more comfort. Check them out.